Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Right now we have these 8 Ford Interceptors. We're expecting 2 Dodge Chargers, and there's another 8 police special SUVs with another 8 vehicles. 4 of them will be patrol sedans, another 4 motorcycles. And so that through the entire year, this year, we're expecting to increase our fleet to 20 plus vehicles. We are planning to get another 18 officers in the police department this year, and this is coupled with the pay raises that they deserved and that was obligated by law. So the commitment by this administration in getting the pay that those officers deserve, they've gotten it. We're getting them more material and resources, and this is a commitment by this administration to ensure that this community is safe.